Installing your sleek new Venetian blind couldn't be simpler. First, decide on where you'll be installing the brackets. The brackets offer two methods of fixing. You can top fix the brackets to the top of the recess, or face fix them onto a wall or window frame. If you're fitting the blind inside a recess, make sure that the brackets are fitted far forward enough that the blind will clear any window handles protruding from the window. Top fixing is the most common method of installation. Face fixing is usually used when fitting the blind outside the recess, as the brackets must be attached to the wall or to a wooden batten or architrave. It can also prove the quickest method of installing if you have a wooden window frame, though in this case, don't forget to check that the blind will clear any handles protruding from the window. The outermost brackets should be located around 50 mm in from the sides of the recess, with the additional brackets spaced evenly across the width of the blind. Ensure that the brackets are located such that they will not interfere with the components inside the headrail. Once you've decided where you'll fit your brackets, use a pencil to mark the positions of the screw holes. Use a small size 3 drill bit to drill pilot holes first, then open those out with a size 6 drill bit for a neat finish and an easier install. Tap a roll plug into each hole, then screw the brackets firmly in place. Make sure that the lever on the front of the bracket is sticking out towards the room. Then place the blind's headrail against the brackets, with the front lip of the headrail resting on the front hook of the bracket. Then push the back of the headrail upwards until it's level and swing the lever back until it's flush with the headrail to lock it in place. Finally, a cord cleat is provided to secure excess cord out of reach of children when the cord is not in use. It is a legal requirement that this cleat be installed. Mark the positions of the screw holes with a pencil. The cleat should be installed beside the blind at a height of at least 1500 mm from the floor. Secure the cleat using the screws provided. When the blind is raised and the lift cord extended, wrap the lift cord in a figure of 8 around the cleat so that it's taut and secure. And that's it! Your new blind is installed and ready to enjoy. If you have any problems fitting your blinds, our friendly customer service team are always happy to help 7 days a week. Made to measure, made simple.